Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Jack if you're new, and on this upload, I'm gonna help sort out a potential problem you might have. What we're gonna go over here is basically a misdiagnosis scenario. Hopefully this little misdiagnosis tip, trick, understanding of how things work, hashtag the more you know, reading rainbow. Anyway, yeah, hopefully this will help you out. So let's dive into it. All right. So what do we got? We have a 2012 Volkswagen TDI. Now, I know we've done a lot of TDI things on this channel. We've done timing belts, we've done high pressure pumps, we've done CP4 pumps, we've done fuel injectors, we've done EGR repairs, fuel injector programming videos. Well, now we're gonna get into a little bit of diagnosis here. Hopefully, if one of you guys have this problem, you'll be able to sort it out, save yourself maybe a few $1,000s. Yeah, not break the bank. Let's just put it what it is. So what is it? What are we addressing? You probably already figured it out from the title. It is the misdiagnosed serpentine belt tensioner. Now, so this video is one of those more of watch me before you go into a belt tensioner. So I'll probably make the thumbnail super clickbaity just so you guys come in and watch it beforehand. Anyway, what is the actual problem? Here is the belt tensioner, right? This little guy goes all the way down there. Let's see if we can put some light on the scenario. There, right there. It's that pulley, smooth rib pulley right down there. Most technicians would say this belt tensioner is bad because it flops around. I'm gonna show you how it flops around. Sounds like it's chattering, sounds like it's something mechanically inside of here is loose or jostling around. And it looks like it is, like it's bouncing. The reality is the belt tensioner is not bad. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. I'm even gonna show you what it's doing and give you guys an idea of why you even might think it's doing this. The reality is it's not bad. So keep watching and I'll explain why as we go. You hear it? That. Hopefully you guys can see that. If you can't, I'm sorry. We'll try it one more time. Let's grab another light and a different angle on the dangle here. Light. Woo, that's bright. See it bouncing around and moving? That belt sound, most technicians would say is a bad belt tensioner. I've had customers come to me before claiming that they were quoted like $3,000 and $4,000 for dual mass flywheel repairs. I even at one point thought it might have been a dual mass just from initial sounds. I've heard dual mass sounds similar to this, but also make completely different sounds at the same time. So that's all the information. We're gonna shut this loud thing off here real quick. Awesome, now that we can hear ourselves think, what is actually the problem if the belt tensioner is not it and it's jostling around and looks like hell and it's dancing around like a square dance at a salsa night? What's actually happening? Let me explain. So inside of the alternator right here, this is your alternator, there's a pulley right there. Well, inside of that pulley, there's a clutch. Some genius said, let's put a clutch in there. The reason this genius decided to come up and say, hey, we should put something in this is because there was sounds, there was vibrations, there was noises, there was some circle of people that said, oh, I don't like that, decided we should make it quieter, and then the engineers said, oh, this is what's causing it. Let's put a clutch in it and dampen the noise. Awesome. It's fully mechanical, so there's no electronics in it. That said, it's also replaceable. I'm not gonna go into how to replace it in this video. That's for a whole nother video. But what this video is about is how to verify whether or not your belt tensioner is bad or if it's your alternator's clutch. It's a really simple way to check it. So this alternator should spin one direction with the clutch, and then with it working, not spin the other way. When the clutch is locked up and it's toast magos, it doesn't want to do nothing. Find my tool here to show you how it works. Where did my special tool go? I have a very, very special tool to do just this job, and I can't find it. All right, there it is. Special tool. You need a really long screwdriver. Oh, there it is. Perfect. All right, so inside of your alternator, this thing, there's a clutch in there. It's a one-directional clutch. There's even a little arrow on the side of the case right down here. It tells you which direction it's supposed to go. When the clutch inside the pulley takes a shit, you should be able to take a screwdriver, and if this pulley is in good order, this alternator will move. But you can stick a screwdriver down in the front and get one of those air veins. Being as it doesn't move, that tells me that the clutch in the actual alternator is what's bad and not the belt tensioner on this car. Like I said, I just want to take an opportunity here real quick, try to help some of you guys diagnose a sound. Sounds are one of the most difficult things on a car to diagnose, because when you're chasing a sound, you need to understand where it's coming from, what's around it, all the components. Sounds are a glorified pain in the ass is what they are. So use this information. I hope it helps some of you. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. If it does, smash that thumbs up button. If it doesn't, smash the thumbs down button and get down in the comments and say, hey, it didn't work. That's fine. I'm sorry. Not every case is exactly the same, but a lot of times, some of it's repeatable. So with that said, guys, if you found value in this video and you want to, you may, because YouTube has now given it as an option. Down here underneath of all the screen bebops and boops, there's a donate button, a tip button. I don't know what they've called it. You can give 2 cents, you can give a cent, you can give $5, you can give $80, $10,000, whatever you want. If this video helped you out and you were able to successfully do the thing that you set out to, or you saved thousands of dollars and you want to say, hey, thank you, you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you want to know how to actually fix this problem, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm Audi.